What's up guys, my name is Mel and today I'm going to show you how to get your .mov files into Premiere Pro when that problem occurs. So if you are recording, for example, on an iPhone and you are running an instance of Premiere Pro which will not accept your files, here is how to fix that easily. So I've got my example folder here. So if I take, for example, this file, I try to add it here, you will get a message that will say we were unable to open the file on disk. So it seems to be a read error, but that's not the problem. The problem is within Premiere. So what you will do to fix this, you see I have a mixed batch of files here. We got JPEGs, we got MOVs, we got PNGs. So what you want to do, hold Shift, right click the folder, and then click Open PowerShell window here, and you get this prompt. And you will type in exactly what I type here. I have also this string of code in the description, so you can just copy and paste it, but it goes like this. This is the string of code that you need, and it tells you what file name to search for and what to replace it with. So you change the .mov to a .mts file, which is an older file, which is much more compatible with older versions of Premiere Pro. Maybe they fixed this issue in newer instances, or if you're having this problem, this should fix it. So I'm going to show you what happens when you run it. And then we run our code. And then you see every .mov file in this folder has changed their file ending. And if we take the same file as before, pull it into Premiere, add it here, you can import it, no problem. So that's a good way to do it as a batch. You can do it manually if you want to. You can go in and every .mov file, you can change the ending, you can remove it and then type MTS. Boom. But if you're working with hundreds or thousands of files, that's going to take forever. So you just open PowerShell, run this code, and then everything is going to be okay. Hopefully this helped you. It helped me. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.